Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to show you the new version of 360. It is version 1.3.0. What is new in this version is we have this tour map feature. Tour map feature, by using this feature we can add an image as a navigation map, and we can also add some image object inside the map to use it as hotspot for the map. And if we run the virtual tour, it will be easier for us to navigate between panorama scenes. For example, instead of using this regular hotspot to navigate between scenes, we can use this map. We have 3 hotspots here. If I click this one, it will be here, and so on. To make a tour map, it is very easy. Let me delete this map. We go here, inside this tour map we create a new map. Click this button and we need to choose a background image for the map. In this case I have this image here. If you don't have any image asset, you need to go here and add your image file here. Let me add this image. Now I have this tour map background image as the map, and I need a hotspot. Click this button and choose an image you have on your image gallery. In this case I'm going to choose this one. Then we can position it anywhere on the map. For example, I will place it here and then double click the icon, the hotspot image, to show this dialog, so you can choose which panorama you want to open when you click the icon. Now we can generate the virtual tour, and that's all. We can show the map by clicking this icon, and we can click this icon to navigate to that panorama. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you on my next videos. Bye bye.